Hi. So a lot of us would have dreamt of wanting to retire early, right? Retiring early, going around the world and whatnot. So money is super important for that, for our retirement, and we all know that. We can start solving the simple financial constraints by understanding time value of money. We all know about time value of money. So what It's as simple as this. So, what our parents could buy in their childhood for 1 rupee, we could not, I'd say, we could not buy that for 1 rupee during our childhood, right? So, that is time value of money. The value of money, value of 1 rupee has changed over time. So, the present value of money would be what the value of money is at this moment, right at this moment. The future value, which is kind of self-explanatory, how much that uh, money is valued in some time in the future, any time in the future, and the time gap between the present and the future is the number of periods, and the rate of interest is also self-explanatory, and the periodic payments is how much we are depositing at the end or at the beginning of each year. So say I require 30 lakhs for retirement now. So for I'm requiring 30 lakhs. I'm giving up 30 lakhs for retirement, so there's a minus. And the number of periods I want to retire for 30 years, so 30. And the rate of interest, suppose say just a savings account is 4%. So how much money will I actually be requiring 30 years from now? So I'm saying I require future. I'm using a function future value, the rate, the number of periods, PMT, which stands for periodic payments, and the present value. So I'll be requiring 97 lakhs. So say I'm just copying this, and I want to find out what kind of investment do I need to make. The future value would be 97,000, right? So the number of periods, I'm saying I want to retire 30 years from now. The maximum I can retire is 30 years from now. And I want to figure out at what rate should I be investing such that I get this much money in 30 years. And suppose I can save only 10,000 a month. So I'm giving away only 1,20,000 a year. So my rate of interest can be given by a function rate, the rate of the number of periods, the periodic payments, the present value. I'm not investing any lump sum amount in the beginning, and the future value. Do that, it comes up to 6.14%. I should invest my money at 6.14% at the end of every year. So what this means is that at the end of every year, I'm investing 1,20,000 at the rate of 6.14%. So at the 19th year, I invest 1,20,000 at the interest of 6.14% for me to get 97 lakhs 30,000 192.53 rupees. Right? So if I want to retire earlier and I still want the same amount of money, so I should invest it at 13%. So this is an oversimplified model of figuring out how to retire, because the rate of interest might not be 4% here. It could be more, it could be less, and also I might require more if I'm retiring after 20 years, because 10 years will be added to my retirement life and all. So there are a lot of flaws with this. So we need to build a more efficient model, and this is just a start, just an introduction of thinking how a very small, how you can make a difference by starting to save or starting to invest. So that's about it. Thank you.